Scientific microscope, diverse accessories, simple packs and transparent collection bottles are available for us to collect small items related to experiments. Install experimental specimens. You take the size of the magnifier and the distance of the lens. It can be zoomed in and out, so clear. This microphone can also be connected to a mobile phone. For displaying, install the phone holder. Install phone. Note that the camera should be aligned with the lens. Look, it's more convenient to observe. You can make your own experimental specimens and put things you want to observe. More interesting experiments waiting for you to discover.